What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we have the 2023 Bentley Continental GTS and GTCS debut, and it has some nice sport exhaust. Now, Bentley is relentless in its quest to give buyers even more customization options, and this new S version of the GT and GTC is a relevant example of how crew aims to please. Now, the Posh Grand Tour starts off as the V8 model before getting a sports exhaust with quad tips in black to amplify the twin-turbo 4-liter unit soundtrack. Now, the rest of the mods are purely visual, including the dark tint for the headlights and the taillights, and only the wing badge and lettering remain in bright chrome, with everything else made in black. Now, while the Continental Azure focuses on the luxury side of the GT, the S serves as a sportier offering. That said, the 8-cylinder engine soldiers on with 542 horsepower and 770 newton meters, 568 pound-feet of torque. Now, enables the cars to reach 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers from a standstill in 4 seconds flat. And discrete changes on the outside include glossy black radiator grille, S badges on the front fenders, while the 22-inch wheels with 5 Y-shaped spoke design, which are new to the Continental GT range. Now, the new shoes are finished as standard in glossy black, but can be optionally specified with a pale Brodgar satin appearance. Now, alternatively, a smaller 21-inch set comes with a tri-spoke design for a contrasting effect, but Bentley paints the brake calipers in red. Now, to spruce up the interior, the British ultra-luxury brand gave the GTS and GTCS a two-tone finish you won't find on any other Continental. Gone is the Bentley Motors Ltd plaque on the tread plates, as it has been replaced with a simple S. The same lettering has also been embroidered onto the headrest, both front and rear, while the black lettering is contrasted by red accents throughout the cabin. Now, as a final touch, the driver display borrows the performance-oriented graphics from the Continental GT Speed. There's no word about pricing yet, but logic will tell you that the S version slots between the base model and the W12 Power flagship. And Bentley is not done with the product expansion, considering spy shots have been shown of a plug-in hybrid derivative on its way. But with that said, what do you guys think about the subtle changes to the new GTS and GTCS for the Bentley Continental? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the sportier 2023 Bentley Continental GTS and GTCS. And with that said, if you guys like what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you want some long sleeve shirts, tank tops, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.